Good afternoon. It's another beautiful sunny day at the Mud Bay Yacht Club, and it's stat holiday today, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to come down here and work on the boat. And because it's not raining, I thought it's a perfect day to work on the outside of the boat. So I have been sanding away on the side of the hull, and it kind of looks like this. I had a little help today. I brought the sea dogs along. They've been very helpful. They've been keeping passersby entertained, starting conversations, and just generally being social. And in the meantime, I've sanded the hull from the boot stripe up to the rub rail about halfway along. So where the chain plates used to be, that's about as far as I got. So I will continue tomorrow after work and hopefully take it to the bow. In the meantime, enjoy yourself. Fair winds, following seas. God bless.